Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, make sure your LG TV model supports Google Assistant. This matters because older WebOS versions lack native integration. Once confirmed, connect the TV to your home Wi-Fi and make sure your phone is on the same network. Open the Google Home app and sign into the Google account you plan to use. Then, in the TV settings app, enable microphone access and voice control. This initiates pairing and allows Assistant to respond to you. Now pair the TV with Google Home. In the app, tap the plus symbol, choose Setup Device, then select Works with Google. Search for LG ThinQ or the specific TV service and follow the prompts. You'll confirm a code on both devices and approve permissions. Grant location, microphone, and TV control so Assistant can discover and operate the set. Once paired, label the TV's room and name it something short. This helps when you say commands like turn on living room TV. Finish by testing key commands. Ask, "Hey Google, turn on the TV," or play Netflix on living room TV. Confirm volume and input changes work. If something fails, power cycle the TV and router, then re-authenticate the Google Home app. Many issues are network or account token related. Make sure the TV's firmware and the Google Home app are up to date. As a last resort, reset voice settings on the TV. Be aware this may remove saved voice preferences, so try other steps first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.